We all want to know how to make a simple Class A common emitter amplifier, but how does the maths work for it? Well, it's quite simple. This is day 157 of teaching you electronics until you become a master. Let's start with the simplest calculation, R1 here. In order to do this, we need to select a current that we want to be our standard current flow. Let's say 10 milliamps. We now need to calculate what resistance will drop half of our supply voltage at 10 milliamps. As we have 12 volts, 12 divided by 2 gives us 6 volts. We now need to use Ohm's law to calculate what resistance at 6 volts gives us 10 milliamps, which is fairly easy to do given that V equals R times I. We can say that 6 equals R times, and then as this is milliamps, we need to divide it by 1,000. 0.0, so that would be the hundredths, and then we have 1, 0, which gives us a simple calculation, I'm sure, of about 6,000, that doesn't, 600 ohms. Now that's not a common resistor, so we'll set this to 560, which is a common resistance. The calculation for R2 is much simpler. That's the calculation of our gain. Let's say we want a gain of 10. We can say 10 equals R1 divided by R2. So 560 divided by, let's call it X. This obviously equals 56. Now, yes, that's a bad way to do equations, but the answer's right. Tomorrow I'm going to cover what resistors we need to bias our input voltage.